Hi guys, today I am going to carry on with my kind of like my favourite brands of the series, and so many of you were right about some of my favourite brands. Another one of my favourite brands is NARS. I absolutely love NARS. I have for a really long time, and there's just so many basics from NARS that I love. So I'm going to go straight into it, and I've got my top 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hang on. Missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got my top 5 and I've stuck to 5 this time. Products from NARS. So I'm going to start off with the base, and I'm going to start off with by basically every day. So every day, I've said it a few times, but every day, like for work and just generally every day, I wear a tinted moisturiser. Except if I'm going out, or if I'm filming. So today I'm not wearing a tinted moisturiser, or if I'm going like just somewhere where you need a bit more coverage and you just want to feel a bit more glam. But generally every day, if I'm happy with my skin and I'm having a good skin day, then I will just wear tinted moisturiser, and I love this NARS one. So my shade is Saint Moritz, and it's just so smooth. It's kind of, if you want it to have a glow, you can leave it and not kind of matte it down with a powder like I do, or you can have it matte, and it's just really good coverage and really blendable and just really lightweight, and I just really like it. It's also got SPF 30 in it, so I don't necessarily always wear it in the winter because I don't really need SPF 30 in the winter, but in the summer this is absolutely perfect. It's such a lovely consistency, like it's like really nice and creamy and moisturising. So yeah, I love this from NARS. While we're on base, my favourite, or one of my favourite foundations, and my top 5 foundations, is the NARS Sheer Glow foundation. I absolutely love this foundation because it is not so full coverage. It's kind of like, I'd say it's light to medium weight coverage. It is sheer, it's very sheer, that's why it's not kind of like full coverage foundation. It's like your skin but better. It gives you a gorgeous like glow. I've talked about it so many times, but yeah, I absolutely love this foundation. It's really good. I've rebought it so many times and I never regret it. And in this, my shade is, oh no, when I tip this, it's nearly finished. I'm going to get on one soon. My shade is Barcelona in this. Then, as they're still on kind of like skin, my favourite concealers is the NARS Radiant with Cream Concealer. Everybody loves this, everybody raves on about this, and there's a reason for that, because it's amazing. It's a bit too kind of heavyweight for every day, so that's why I use a more lightweight concealer every day from another brand. But yeah, this NARS one I love if I'm going out. If I've got like a wedding to go to, or like a special occasion, or if I'm going out in the evenings and I know I'm going to be photographed and stuff, I wear this one because it kind of gives you that radiance. It's got that yellow undertone. My shade is Biscuit. I just love this concealer. This is another one that I've kind of gone through so many. I've used over and over again. This one's almost finished as well. Anything is that it does tend to crease, so you kind of really need to set it very well, but it's, you know, it's a heavier weight concealer, but it does its job so well. The Orgasm blush from NARS. This is kind of like one of the first things I ever used, or from NARS, one of the first products, and look at it, kind of, you can see it so well, but this is basically like the blush for nights out, for every day, for whatever. Like, this is the go-to blush. It suits every single skin tone. It suits absolutely everybody. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it, but the right amount. It's just like the literal perfect blush. If I only had to use one blush for the rest of my life, it would 100% be NARS Orgasm, because it is such a good blusher. I absolutely love it. I cannot get enough of it. I love, and obviously they can't either. I mean, they've got, you know, the liquid version, they've got a lips range, they've got highlight range. I've got so much all around NARS orgasm, because it's amazing. You just can't get enough of it. Then next, another product. I think all these NARS products I have literally bought over and over and over again. Once I've kind of gone through PR samples, if I've had them, then I've gone out and bought them again. And another one is Anita by NARS. This is basically my everyday lipstick shade. I wear liquid lipsticks every day, but I do love, this is the shade I love. It's called Anita, and it's a really gorgeous, like rosy pink, rosy pinky nude pink. It's gorgeous. I'm going to show you now. It's just so nice. Can you see it there? I'm actually not wearing it right now because I'm wearing my liquid lipstick combination. But yeah, it's just a perfect colour. Again, it's like the kind of shade that suits everybody. I mean, you know, it's going to look more nude on some people and more of a kind of colour on fairer skin tones, but it still suits you. Look, it still looks so nice. It's just such a lovely shade, and it's from the Audacious Lip collection, and I love, it's so creamy. It's got a lovely like creamy consistency, doesn't make your lips feel dry, and it does actually last really, really long. So yeah, they are my top 5 products from NARS, a brand that I absolutely love, and yeah, products that I'd buy over and over again. I have bought them over and over again, and I will continue to do so. So I hope you liked this video, and comment below, let me know what your favourite NARS products are, and if there's anything that I've kind of missed, you know. Again, there's loads of lovely things that NARS do. Like I love their eyeshadow palettes. I love the lip crayons, which are so good. I love the stick foundation, which is also really good. I love the NARS Audacious mascara. I love, oh, the powder. I did really and ah about whether to bring my NARS pressed powder in Beach, because I absolutely love that powder. But I just stuck to 5. But otherwise I would have 100% bought their powder in. I love their bronzers. I love their dual intensity bronzers. Oh my god, they're amazing. But I just wanted to choose 5 top products that I could not live without, and these are the 5. So yeah, hope you liked the video.